Episode 1: The Lie That Cancels God's Command. Is Jesus really your Sabbath? They say, Jesus is my Sabbath, so I don't need to keep the seventh day. Sounds spiritual, doesn't it? But this modern doctrine is not from Christ. It's from Satan himself, designed to cancel the one command God told us to remember. It's time to expose the lie hiding under a robe of fake grace. Scene 1. The command has not changed. Exodus 20:8-10, KJV. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. The seventh day is the Sabbath of the Lord thy God. This is not a symbol, not a suggestion. It's the fourth commandment, written by God's own hand in stone, never erased. Yet today preachers twist Paul's letters and claim, Jesus is our rest, so the Sabbath command is obsolete. That's like saying, Jesus is my truth, so I can now lie. Or Jesus is my righteousness, so I can now sin. It's spiritual insanity. Scene 2. The dangerous twist of words. Yes, Jesus gives rest from sin, guilt, and works-based salvation, but that's not the same as erasing the Sabbath day. Matthew 11:28, KJV. Come unto me, all ye that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. That verse doesn't say, I am now the Sabbath day. It says, he gives us spiritual rest, peace, freedom from sin. But it does not cancel the command that says, the seventh day is the Sabbath of the Lord thy God. To say, Jesus is my Sabbath, and ignore the commandment is like saying, Jesus is my bread, and refusing to eat. It's hypocrisy cloaked in deception. Scene 3. Jesus is the Lamb. 2. But we still need his blood. Some say, Jesus is our Sabbath, so the day is no longer necessary. Really? Then by that logic, Jesus is our Lamb, so we don't need the cross? Jesus is our light, so we don't need truth? Jesus is our rest, so we don't need to obey. That's the thinking of a lawless heart. Matthew 5:17, KJV. Think not that I am come to destroy the law. I am not come to destroy, but to fulfill. Jesus didn't cancel the law. He magnified it. He fulfilled it by example, and he kept the Sabbath holy. Scene 4. A lie that leads to death. Proverbs 14:12, KJV. There is a way which seemeth right unto a man, but the end thereof are the ways of death. This Jesus is my Sabbath doctrine seems right. It feels spiritual, but it's a subtle, satanic counterfeit, meant to make you forget the day that God sanctified. Ezekiel 20:20, KJV. And hallow my Sabbaths, and they shall be a sign between me and you, that ye may know that I am the Lord your God. You can't erase a sign from God and call it grace. You can't reject his command and claim you're under his rest. Final warning. If Jesus is truly your Lord, you will follow his voice. And his voice says, Luke 6:46, KJV, Why call ye me Lord, Lord, and do not the things which I say?